Everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Kit Day, and we will be unboxing the newest Softlex Company design kit, Sunset Splendor. I'm super excited for this kit. So before we start opening it, it did come with a bead strand that you could buy separately. And lately, the bead strands have been super popular. Their last one for book lovers, I think, sold out in like 3 days. So this one was so pretty, and just these little beads here. Can't wait to either make like a pendant with them or earrings. And each bead strand is exclusively made for the kit by Jesse James Beads, as well as they have a bead box. So I'm really super excited. If this is the bead strand, it kind of gives us a sampling of what's inside this kit. So let's start opening up and see what's inside. So we have a little design kit, and this just explains what the monthly kits are from Softlex Company. And then they have a little challenge on their Facebook group, the VIBs. And I will leave a link down below in the description for that. And they give us a little sampling of everything that's in the kit. And these ones are the items that will be available on the kit release day or the last Wednesday of the month. And then we have exclusive items only in this kit. I just love how they package it. It's perfect for a gift if you wanna give it to somebody or just a monthly gift to yourself. These kits are absolutely fantastic, and I will leave a link down below in the description. I have a playlist of all the kit unboxings from Softlex Company, as well as a tutorial playlist of the different, tutorials I've made with each kit. So let's see what's inside. We have our kit. I just love the pinks in this kit, and there's a lot of check glass that is exclusive to the kit. These are the check glass copper colored gem cut ramen, and they will be available. How pretty are those? They look like a strawberry quartz. I just love these little short strands with the gem cuts. They're so beautiful. Tiny but mighty. They really will make a statement in your piece. Oh, these are pretty check glass. These look like a jasper. 2 strands in, and I'm just seeing a lot of check glass, but it looks just like gemstones. So we have this check glass that will look like strawberry quartz. This looks like a jasper. We have our bead mix. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, this is that late summer, early fall color palette. It's beautiful. We have our check glass. We have our Softlex wire in a beautiful garnet color. Just look how well that's gonna fit in with the beads. That's what I love so much about the Softlex kits as well, is it goes with everything. That all the colors, sometimes they'll throw in a few colors that you might not think will work with the color combo. They're just so beautiful. And then we have our findings. Looks like we have a couple tiara cast, and then we have some little crystal rhinestone flat backs. So you can glue those inside of the little toms. And let's see what our specialty findings are in here. It looks like the metal is going to be a gold. Our specialty check glass and findings in this bag. So there is a vintage natural brass sunburst ring. Those are cool. Well, that would be fun for earrings. So you have the top drill here. You have a little earring finding in there. So these would be great for earrings. And then you have three, like for a chandelier earring, or you could glue a bigger rhinestone in the center, like a Rivoli. And you could use some of the natural paints and bring out some colors and paint them. How pretty. Those are going to be fun. Oh, these are unique. I don't think I've ever seen a bead like this. These are check glass dusty pink paddle beads. Those are very interesting. You get a lot of them, so those are pretty. It'd be pretty for just like a necklace or maybe even be like a little bead woven project or something with those and with the check glass beads. It never fails with these Softlex design kits. I always get inspired when I'm unboxing them and I want to start creating. So pretty. Yeah, that's just a really unique shape. And you do get a lot of them. So here we have check glass brown lentils. They look to be the travertine finish. And then we have some check glass. We have some pinch beads. So that's what these little ones are. And then we have two-tone beads. These are really pretty. It's kind of like a green and then it fades to an orange. So almost like the leaves changing color. So pretty. So you really do get a lot in this kit, and I haven't even opened up the exclusive Jesse James bead mix. So I'm excited. Let's see what's inside there. We have our Jesse James bead mix, and these immediately stood out to me, these little bead clusters. And they had them in the Great Bead Extravaganza Just Peachy kit. And I made some earrings. So I will leave a link down below in the description for that. And then I also have made my own bead clusters. So I'll leave a tutorial link for that as well. And these ones are really cool, just the texture on them. It's a really pretty color. And then we have some pearls, and I know Jesse James Beads will hand dye their pearls, like they'll have a Pantone line of all the trending colors, and then they'll dye them to match that color for the season. First, we have our orange. This is just like sunset in a bead mix. Beautiful pink beads that are faceted. Oh, we have briolettes. They have like a little gold shimmer to them. How pretty. And you get 6 of those, so that would be fun for the earring or just to have those dangle from the vintage findings. Then we have some large hold metal beads. So this would be great either for like macrame or if you did a stretch bracelet to hide the knot inside of them. We have some more beads. How pretty. This is really pretty, just this color. It's like an orange champagne color, super sparkly. Those would be good for sun catchers as well. And then, of course, your metals. We have some rose gold in there, a couple little spacers, 4 of those. This is a really pretty bead mix, and it fits so well with that soft flex garnet wire and all the other beads in the collection. Just how pretty. So this is going to be a super fun kit to design with. I can't wait to see what everyone creates. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And don't forget to check out the tutorials coming up with this amazing kit. Have a great day.